3-ton 1988. That's ice cold, but there's no ice on it, so that's really, really good. And that is room temperature. It's blowing out very cold air in the house. Doing a great job. This is the 3-ton 1988 Trane XL1200 super efficiency Weathertron heat pump at my uncle's house. Blowing out warm right here. These units were replaced by the XLI series. See, XL. So really, an XL1400 would be the same thing as an XL14i. An XL1600 would be the same thing as an XL16i unit. And if you wanted an XL20i that looked like this, you would have to find, I don't think Trane ever made it, but it would be an XL2000. Yes, blowing out warm here. It's about 68, 70 degrees outside. Indoor thermostat's calling for about 77. It's 78 in there. So it's just warm in the house from being warm yesterday. And it's going to be hot again today. Compressor sounds pretty good for 1988. Coils are pretty clean. I'll get some pictures of it. Running in cool mode, of course. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.